Starting a new business is hard enough, but getting noticed shouldn't be.
That's where To Create comes in. We make small businesses look like pro without the pro level price tag. Yes, you heard it right. Logo plus flyer, or business card plus menu. Your choice. Helping small businesses. Two materials at a time. Call us and get exclusive discount.